This video shows a quick and simple way to combine data from multiple columns into one column in Excel. So here is the combined cell selected, and then in the formula bar we start with an equal sign and select the first name cell, and then and sign, double quotation, space, double quotation, and sign, and then select the middle name cell. Then we use the same sequence with and, double quotation, space, double quotation, and then last name cell. And then again we use the and sign, double quotation, and then we introduce a comma here after the last name, and then space, double quotation, and sign, and the degree cell is selected. So the data is combined here, as you can see. Now if the last name is first and the first name is second, middle name is scrambled, so we can also combine this data in a logical sequence. So we select the cell, combined cell here, and we start with an equal sign, and then we select the first name cell. And so here what we do is we select the cell uh, as per the sequence we desire. So I selected the first name cell first, then and sign, double quotation, space, double quotation, and sign, and then the middle name cell, and then and double space, double quotation, space, double quotation, and sign, and the last name cell is selected. And then again we use the comma sign after the first double quotation, and then space, double quotation to combine the data here. So this is how we simply combine data from multiple columns in Excel. Thank you for watching, and if you find the video helpful, please subscribe.